So outside, you will get the whiffs this time of year of, oh, the apricot blossoms, lavender or magnolia trees. Well, we noticed some of you are turning to a stovetop simmer blend to get fresh spring fragrance at home. Studio 5 producer Maddy Tolman has pulled out some recipes so we can give them a try. What's the idea here, Miss Maddy?
So same idea as that, like Christmas time fall simmer pot that brings in all the holiday smells.
With the cinnamon and the nutmeg.
Yes, and the cloves, but we're remaking it like a springtime. So it's refreshing your home from the inside out with those spring smells.
It's a spring simmer pot. I actually didn't even know that was a thing.
Me either.
I do it at Christmas time. So a lighter, fresher smell.
Yes, lighter, fresher. We're using like citrusy smells, rose petals, all the fun springy ingredients.
And why might someone opt for this over like a room freshening spray or even a candle?
So with these like real spices and ingredients, you're gonna get such a strong scent and aroma from those like real ingredients, so much stronger than you would candles and air freshener.
It can just simmer. It feels more realistic, I think, too,
and
in the smell.
clean, chemical-free. Yes.
Okay, the first creation I understand is a Williams-Sonoma inspired scent.
Yes, we've got this one over here. We're gonna start on this side. This one just has some lemons. This one's an easy one. You just simmer your water. We've got our water already in here. We're adding some lemons, and look how pretty they just flow on the top.
I was gonna say, seeing grapefruit sliced and oranges and lemon sliced, it's pretty for the eyes too.
It looks and smells like spring.
Yeah.
So we've got our lemons. We're not gonna use all of them. You can save the other half and like use it, put it in the fridge, remake it a few days later.
Yeah.
Then we've got our tablespoon of vanilla.
And
then some little rosemary here, which got some dirt on it.
Rosemary, lemon, vanilla.
Yes.
That's going to smell the house right up.
Like Williams-Sonoma. I can't break that
In
one.
all the best ways. Okay, all right. This next one is more citrus inspired?
Yes. So we've got all the fun citrus springs. We've got our oranges. We're gonna add some slices in here. Same thing, you can save the other half and keep your home smelling good for like ever.
Yes.
Some grapefruit.
Grapefruit, so pretty.
And then we're gonna add, this one's got a few more ingredients, limes and lemons.
Okay, this one's loaded.
Yes. And this one is so pretty too because it's got those flower petals. You can use any kind of flower. I just got roses, and the best thing is they don't have to be like pretty, like fresh out of the store flowers. Like these are like wilted Mother's Day flowers. So just grab your old wilted ones.
Repurpose your bouquet. This smells
peppercorn.
This is intoxicating. It smells so good.
And then some rosemary in this one as well.
That rosemary seems to just enhance all the goodness in there. And again, so pretty on the eyes too. Maddy, thank you. There's your second citrus spring simmer pot recipe. We're gonna post both of these for you on our website, also our social media pages if you wanna try it out, check it out, and make your home radiate of lovely spring scents. Maddy, thanks again.
Thank you.